Hello guys, magandang araw and welcome sa ating panibagong videos o panibagong games na i-upload. So kagaya nga ng ating tutorial sa nakarang buwan about sa games na ito. So ngayon ay simulan natin to, no, na i-upload. So ating setup dito, so kagaya lang ng dati. So by part. Kasi kapag by chapter, so medyo mahaba na, no. So mas maganda gawa na lang nating o gawin na lang nating by part 1 hanggang sa matapos yung mismong laro, no. So ngayon simulan natin to sa pag-upload. So ito na yung part 1 ng frequency missing. So sa susunod na games, kapag matapos to, so hanap pa tayo, no, maghanap tayo ng ibang laro o next game na i-upload na naman natin, no? So pwede tayo maghanap kung may mahanap pa tayo, no. So bago ko to simulan, sa mga hindi pala nakapag-subscribe, so please to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates, o diba? So insert ko na rin, no, kung naalala nyo yung mga blind quiz, so nalaro.
00003.
Check ko man yung
Setting
record.
1141,001. Tab button.
Parang nawala na naman siya sa Play Store. So i-check ko lang siya muli
Pause button.
para mas malaman ko yung para malaman ko yung totoo ba yung nawala na yung blind quiz, no, sa Play Store.
Stop button.
So kasi nung nakalang araw, so parang hindi ko na siya ma-search, pero try ko ngayon
Pause button.
na i-search para sure tayo sa ating siyempre sinasalita dito. So sa susunod na videos, so
Stop button.
sure na talaga, no, ang ating
Recording. 00017. Recording. Stop button.
ang sure na talaga yung balita ko, no, about sa mga laro sa Play Store. So pero pwede ko naman siyang upload kasi nakapag-download ako ngayon, no, sa Blind Quest 2 at yung 3. Pero yung 1, yung Enchanted Castle, so hindi ko siya ma-upload dito, no, dahil hindi ma-install yung kanyang version dito. So ano daw, no, ang nakalagay dito,
Pause button.
compatible, no, compatible yung application. So next upload natin, so baka masi-search ko na o matingnan ko na yung games na Blind Quiz 2 kung totoo ba siya nawala, no. So noon kasing nakarang araw ay sinearch ko siya, no. Hindi lang, no, naghanap lang ako ng mga bagong games na pang blind. So baka naman may mahanap tayo, no. Halimbawa mga audio games. So kapag sinearch mo yung audio games for the blind sa Play Store, screen off muna natin to.
Screen locked.
So isa yun sa makikita mo, no, yung blind quiz 2 at yung 3. So yun yung makikita mo, kasi totoo naman yung audio games na for the blind. So sa susunod nating videos o sa susunod nating uploads, baka masabi ko na yung katotohanan kung nawala ba talaga yung blind quiz na laro. Kung nawala siya, no, sa mga hindi pa nakatry na makapaglaro sa games na to, so sa mga mahilig lang, so isa to sa mga isa na namang panibagong laro na nawala sa Google Play. So isa lang ang nasisiguro ko, no, baka isang araw wala nang games sa Play Store na angkop sa ating mga blind o para sa ating mga blind people talaga, no. So wala na siyang anong tawag dito, yung wala na siyang puruhan. So hindi ko alam kung anong Tagalog ng puruhan. Parang wala na siyang so parang gano'n na lang. Wala na siyang oras o parang gano'n na lang, no, oras o hindi na talaga siya mag-update, no. So siguro kung
Hi. Stop button. Recording. 00723.
kung mawala man yung lahat ng games sa Play Store, siguro sa maghintay na lang tayo sa mga panibagong laro na maaari pang lalabas. So isa lang yung aking isa lang aking masasabi, no. So kung may mga bagong laro man na lalabas, siguro puro may bayad, kasi yun talaga yung uso ngayon, guys, no. Pati ngayong mga Hill Hunter dati na laro, no, may bayad. So hindi na lang tayo mag-i-expect na may laro talagang full episode na lalabas. So kagaya ng Blind Legend dati, no. So ngayon ang dami nang hanap ng Blind Legend na para daw sa mga sa mga Android 12. So marami akong nakita, mga zip file, mga mga installation naka-APK na. So pero mas maganda yung naka-zip file, kasi isang extract mo lang, no, pwede ka na makapag-install. So pero kagaya ng dati, hindi siya gumagana sa akin, no. Wala naman siyang problema sa installation, pero ang pagpagana lang talaga yung problema. So halimbawa, kung ma-install yung Mobile Legend, pag open mo sa laro, so ang bubungad sa iyo yung turn right lang and turn left sa Mobile Legend. So ang dami ko nang sinasabi dito. So dahil gaming content, no, so lang tayo, no, mag-commentary so about gaming, no. So ang dami na talagang games na nawala ngayon, no, sa Play Store. Pati nga yung Amboss, basta nakalimutan ko na yung basta Amboss yun. Isa yung bagong games, no, ambush, parang ganon. Shooting, basta may shooting. So hindi ko na rin siya nakita, no. Pero kapag naghanap ako ng APK, pwede naman natin siyang i-upload by Google Drive para isi-share ko na lang dito, no. Pwede ko siyang ilagay sa comment section para yung gustong mag-download, didiretso na lang, no. Isang click na lang para makapag-download.
Hi, 20,241,00,1045. 00,1046.
So, ngayon, simulan na natin yung laro, no? Kasi mahaba na yata yung intro. So, intro lang naman to. Pero ang haba-haba na. So, ngayon guys,
5:24 p.m. Recording. Stop button.
pakinggan nyo ang part 1 ng game na tinatawag na frequency missing. So, matagal ko na itong ina-upload. Pero, ngayon, dahil nagpapalit tayo ng channel o pinalitan natin yung channel. Kasi, sa susunod, sasabihin ko na lang, no? Baka i-insert ko na lang sa next upload natin sa Farm Tricks Accessible. So, habang naglalaro tayo ng Farm Tricks Accessible, pwede tayo magsasalita, no?
Stop button.
So, sa susunod, try ko lang na sabihin kung bakit tayo nagpapalit ng channel. So, sayang, pero kailangan. So, insert ko na rin kung bakit ko dinilit ang mga tutorial. So, may naman talaga ako, no? Noon, gumagawa talaga ako ng tutorial videos. Pero, naisip ko lang, parang ang dami na yatang gumagawa ng tutorial videos, no? Lalong-lalo na sa mga blind people. So, may ibang content o blind content creator na YouTuber. So, ang pangunahing content talaga, kung hindi gaming, ay tutorial. So, parang sa Android, wala pa ako nakitang gumagawa ng gaming content. So, kaya, ito na lang, no? Ito yung ginawa ko ngayon. Kasi, sa mga nakita kong channel na may gaming uploads, so ano lang, no, may halong tutorial, parang pinag-mix nila yung tutorial and gaming. So dito, ang kaibahan lang dito sa ating channel ay focus tayo sa mga games na pang Android lang, no. So ito talaga yung formal na channel para sa gaming content only na pang Android. So ngayon,
Hi, recording. 001454. Recording. Stop button.
dahil mahaba na yung ating intro,
001400. Recording. Stop button.
so sisimulan na natin siguro, no, ang part 1 ng games. So kanila ko na lang tawag ito, kanina ko pa ito sinasabi, no, na simulan natin. Siguro puputulin ko na tong intro, no,
Stop button.
intro natin. So ngayon, simulan na natin ang part 1 sa laro.
Welcome to Frequency Missing. This game is played in landscape mode with the home button to the right. In Frequency Missing, you can explore menus and the game world by dragging one finger across the screen to listen for objects. When you find an object you want to use, release your finger. Remember to wear your headphones correctly to separate right and left, right and left. Now you will try to find an object in the game world. Hold down one finger on the screen. You can now hear a person whistling. Drag your finger toward the sound until you hear a click. Good. You can now hear a good. Now, release your finger to select the object.
Hello.
Perfect. You found a person and have started a conversation. Hold down one finger on the screen and move it up and down to hear topics to choose from. Release your finger to select. Now, give it a shot. Try to talk about the weather. Dancing, sports, economy, the weather.
The weather is great.
Good. Now choose buy, and let's move on. Buy, travel, food, beverage. Buy.
Bye.
Good. That's it for the tutorial. Now choose New Game in the menu to start the game. Main menu. New Game. The game autosaves so you can pick up where you left off.
Oh, my head. What happened? Where am I? It's so dark. Ouch! I'm locked in! Help! Is someone there? I probably shouldn't have done that. If they hear me, they might knock me out again. I hear some rattling. If I feel around, I might be able to locate where that noise is coming from. A screw! I might be able to pry it loose with my hands. There we go. It's still locked. Maybe there are more screws. If I feel around, I might find something. If I drag my finger along the wall, I might hear something that could help me escape. Another screw! It's starting to give way. Yes!
Chapter 1. 3 days earlier.
April 13th, 8:35 a.m. My first day at work as a reporter for Radio IDUN. Richard would have welcomed me and showed me around, but he disappeared 3 days ago. I'm really worried. Carl might know something about where he is. Hi, Carl. How's it going?
Oh, hi, Patricia. Just fine. How are you settling in?
New at work. Richard. New at work. It's a lot to process in a short amount of time.
Yes. Something on your mind?
Carl's job. Carl's job. I don't think I've asked you what you do around here.
That's all right. I work as a fact checker and audio technician.
What does a fact checker do?
I check that all the facts are correct.
And as an audio technician?
I make sure that your segments sound good on the air.
Carl's job, the radio station. Well, I got a quick tour yesterday, but maybe you can tell me more about the radio station.
I don't know what to say. The building is a bit much for my taste. It was originally built as a royal library, apparently. I'm sure Monica at the reception can tell you more about the station.
The radio station. Carl's job, the chief. The chief has barely had time for me yet. What is he like?
He can be a bit difficult to deal with sometimes. He wants to be one of the crew and make good broadcasts, but he also wants to make his bosses happy.
Oh, he's not in charge?
No, he only runs our department, even if he sometimes acts like he runs the whole station.
Enough about work, the chief. Enough about work. Thank you. Richard. New at work. Richard, have you read the newspaper today?
No, what's on your mind?
It said the police have closed the investigation on Richard's disappearance.
What? No one has seen him in 3 days.
I know! They claim there's no indication that a crime has been committed. How can they not care about what happened?
I'm sorry. I know you're good friends. Is there anything I can do?
Thank you, but I don't think so. I was so happy when he got me this job and was really looking forward to working with him. Richard's job. Richard's disappearance. Richard's disappearance. Richard's job. Do you know what he was working on?
Some stories, but nothing that would explain his disappearance. You spent a lot of time together. He never told you anything?
No, but I got this feeling he wanted to tell me something but couldn't. I thought it might have something to do with what he was working on. Richard's disappearance. Richard. Enough about Richard. Richard's job. Enough about. Thank you. Goodbye. Richard. New at work. Richard. About Richard.
Yes?
Richard's disappearance. Do you know anything about Richard's disappearance?
No, nothing. I was going to snoop around in his office, but someone had locked it.
Do you think there's anything in there?
I don't know. But he spent a lot of late nights in his office. I thought maybe he had left some notes about what he was working on.
Richard's job. Enough about Thank you. Goodbye. Thanks, Carl. I'll see you later.
Goodbye.
Carl, what is that device? It doesn't look like an ordinary tape recorder.
Nope, I built it myself. I use it to edit your broadcasts. It's pretty ingenious if you ask me.
The lobby. The radio station's lobby. Grandiose and awe-inspiring. You can't help but be impressed by it.